sa Taste Buddies. Ako, in-order ko ito, yung crispy pata kanina. Ito naman yung pizza na artichoke and spinach. Then we have the Indian flavors. So it's a beef biryani rice.
So here's the crispy chicken fillet with cheese on top na inabur yung cheese onto it. That's tasty flavor. And this is pork tonkatsu. We have some ramen over here. And anything else we got? Oh, that right in front of you is the surf and turf.
Kahit yung pizza, parang pizza na artichoke and spinach, hindi mo akalain na mahanap mo to sa isang food park.
Totoo lang, napaka-social.
Sarap. Sobrang cheesy.
At hindi sila nagtitipid sa artichoke. There's a lot of it.
Oo nga, may bulalo pa din ako, guys. Sauce, medyo nakuha na pag-order.
Oh.
It's nice and thick yung soup. Para siyang may collagen.
Yung meat super lambot. You don't need to chew so much.
Ang sarap.
Very fresh. And actually, at least sa park na ito, marami. May Japanese,
Ang dami.
may Pinoy, may pang dessert, pang pizza. So, kung anong cravings nyo, makikita nyo naman dito. So, pag marami kayo magkaibigan, okay lang. Sumalutong.
Ang sarap ng food choices nila, sobra. Sobrang different.